do you want?
Hey man, you came to my party the other night with Greg?
Yeah, smash some skeezer.
Manged?
Smashed the bag.
Oh, right.
It was the best.
Listen man, my dog went missing that night.
Oh yeah, that blows.
Yeah, it does. Someone said you guys took it,
Yeah.
as in they said you took it.
Yeah.
You have my dog.
Yeah, well.
Hey, look man, I get it. We all do stupid things when we're drunk. Just give him back to me like nothing ever happened.
Yeah.
He's kind of my best friend, you know.
Yeah, the little guy was one hell of a dog. It sucked.
Yeah man, no worries. So where is he?
Yeah, we had to have him put down.
What? What do you mean you had him put down?
I mean, we took him to the vet and had them kill your dog humanely.
Are you fucking serious?
That's what I said. It cost me 60 fucking bucks. My uncle kills dogs for free.
So you stole my dog and then you had him killed?
I mean, once we got him home, we realized we just weren't responsible enough to take care of a dog. Like, we didn't want him just wandering around, starving to death, nobody to pay attention to. It's hard enough feeding that goddamn cat scraps every week or so.
My party was literally 3 days ago.
Yeah, 3 days too many. If you ask me, dog's a fucking handful. Hey man, if you want the body, it's in the trash over there.